Hi, I have a handy tip that I like to share if you do audio IC jobs like me and if you do many. I have a great tip that I like to share. So most of you, when you take the jumper wire, you cut a little piece off and then you tin it and then you put the jumper on there. But if you do many audio IC jobs, you find some tricks, and this is my trick to save my to reduce my repair time. So what I do is first I take jumper wire. So that's the first step. I paste it down with Captain tape to hold it in place. Then so I make sure it's straight. So as you can see, a straight line. So then the next step is put some flux on there. So I want to tin the whole line. So I don't have to tin it anymore. When I need a jumper. So yeah, like this. So it takes a bit before the isolation tape burns away. So in a way it's better to not use isolated jumper wire, but I only have isolated jumper wire. So it takes some time, but it's all worth it. You will see in just a second what I do with it. Okay, so now the wire is tinned like that. It's time to clean. Okay, it's clean. Then I take another piece of Captain tape and hold it down with Captain tape. And then I put it again on the Captain tape, and you make sure you have a nice straight line like this. And then you cut small bits like that. And you gotta make sure that your X-Acto knife is sharp enough, otherwise it doesn't cut well. If you want to make a video, of course it never works the way you want it to. Cut it, and now I have all bits and pieces. Normally this is not the case. So yeah, normally it looks more in a perfect way. It looks more like this. I'm going to show you. Like this. So now I have all a strip of easy made jumpers. Then I paste it with another piece of Captain tape like this. And then you can easily take a jumper of this like that, and then you're ready for your audio IC jumper. So this is the tip I wanted to share.